In this video, I'll show you how to create a Revolut account in the UK and open a Revolut payments account. By the way, if you're a business owner, Revolut probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Revolut is a versatile financial app that allows you to send and receive money, make payments, hold multiple currencies, and manage your finances conveniently from your phone. To get started, unlock your device and open your App Store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store, and if you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Revolut and select the app from the top results. Tap on the app to view its details, then press Install or Download. Depending on your internet speed, the installation may take a few moments. Once the app is installed, locate it on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. When the app launches, you'll see a welcome screen with an introduction to Revolut. Tap Create Account to start the registration process. Enter your phone number carefully, making sure it's correct, then tap Next. Revolut will send a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter the code into the app to verify your number. After this, select your country of residence from the list and enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly, as it will receive important notifications, security alerts, and account updates. Some regions may place new users on a wait list after completing registration. If this happens, don't worry, Revolut will notify you by email or SMS when your account is ready to activate. Follow the instructions provided to complete the setup. Once your account is activated, you can start exploring Revolut's features. You'll be able to send and receive payments instantly, hold and exchange multiple currencies, track your spending, and use budgeting tools to manage your finances. You can also request a physical or virtual card for online or in-person purchases. Revolut even offers features like instant notifications for transactions, the ability to freeze or unfreeze your card instantly, and options for recurring payments or subscriptions. These tools make managing your money simple, efficient, and safe, giving you more control over your finances wherever you are. Revolut is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Revolut is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Revolut offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Revolut review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.